Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter? Simply put, AI is when machines are built to think, learn, and make decisions like humans, but using data and algorithms. AI learns patterns from data. The more it sees, the smarter it gets. In AI training labs, machines learn by observing and mimicking humans, studying how we move, react, and think, until they begin to act almost like us. Just like we learn from experience, AI learns from information. You've probably used AI today without realizing it. Your phone's face unlock, self-driving cars, and chatbots like ChatGPT are all powered by AI. In the future, AI will shape healthcare, education, and even the jobs we do. That's why understanding it now is so important. Subscribe to AI Unboxed today for more simple, clear tech insights. The future of technology is unfolding. Let's explore it together.